right, ladies and gentlemen, Gorgeous George, how we doing on this hot summer June night? Giving you a call, giving you a message, letting you know what's going on. All right, there's once again somebody on the internet that is really misinformed, doesn't seem to get it, will never get it. By me responding to this nimwit, it adds fuel to the fire. So I'm not going to respond directly toward this nimwit, come Dumpster Brennan, but I'm going to refer to the subject of what's going on here. So this son of a bitch thinks in all his wisdom, infant wisdom, that he can go ahead and critique my stuff, critique my show, do his little tidbit, his little information, give his little spin on things. This obsessive, cross-dressing little prick, come dumpster Sean Day Brennan. Hey, listen, we know you were behind Rovist. Rovist is not even an individual. Okay, it's you were behind that individual all along. So that right there is a Sean Day Brennan special. Just like you did arguing with yourself, bantering with yourself with this slow mode voice enhancer, making yourself look like, you know, that you were somebody that hated yourself, which probably half of the things you said, if not all the things that you said in that little speech was probably true. The most truest stuff you ever said. Swinging a cat across the room, beating your mother, which we know you beat your mother, and talking about dressing up as a cheerleader. Let me tell you something. Just like you told the Zach Mankey account, just like you told intimate details about to the Zach Mankey account, you told intimate details on yourself once again. But you go ahead and do that. Go against yourself. You have a mental illness, my friend. You have a severe mental illness. Now, let me tell you what is going on with me, okay? I plan on doing, we're having some radio shows coming up here. I have got a brand new job offer that I'm excited as punch in. A job offer where I can cut back on my transportation job and work full-time on my real job. So on my job that I'm going to take, and I'm excited about that. So I have good things that are happening to me because I am manifesting positive things in my life. I'm putting it up there. I'm making positive energy, manifesting good things. So I have good things that are happening to moi. Okay? Going back to this little infestation that we're talking about, going back to this freaking nature, if you will. No. Anything you do, copyright on my material, I'm going to fight you. You say that basically that I lost the case. No, I did not lose the case. I have, as you would see in the case in that letter, 14 days to make case law. Okay, so I haven't lost anything. And even if I do lose the case, it stopped that freaking critique from showing its face again. And when you do things like that, put it through that hollow freaking head of yours with the big goiter under your neck. That big freaking goiter under your neck that needs to be popped for pus. Put it through your head. When you steal intellectual property that doesn't belong to you, you will have a problem. Okay? So that pretty much registration or that court restraint stopped from that thing seeing light of day. And I will do it again and again and again, 24/7, because at the end of the day, and the bottom line is, I own the material. And before you start talking about the documentary that was Kenny and Brandon's brainchild, I had control over it. Kenny and Brandon filmed it. They created it. But I had creative control, and they put it in my hands to do what I care to do with my own hands with it, if you will. So then, therefore, I control it because it is of me and it's of my likeness. Okay? So, put it through your freaking hollow head. You don't own it. I own it. You don't own anything on me because I own it. And anything you do trying to get into my real world, trying to get to people in my past, trying to harass the insurance doctor of all people, calling the insurance doctor up and harassing them. Look, they already know what's going on, okay? You have you just like you harassed me at work, you've called the landline, you will not stop. You're calling my phone with bizarre numbers daily, and I know you're behind it, okay? You don't get it, and you will never get it. You told on yourself that you troll people. That's your hobby, you troll people. I'm not surprised by that. But at the end of the day, you're going to learn the hard way, because I'm going to do something. Unlike these other people that you troll, I am going to do something about it. Best believe that. And I'm not just blowing smoke here, because I've got the people in contact, I've got people in play in Bonus Park, California, if you will, that are looking into some things. I've got the jurisdiction issue going on, which this has been a jurisdiction issue all the way through. And that's why this thing has been a touchy situation for me, because they don't extradite people unless it's a criminal issue. And unfortunately, this, as far as I'm concerned, this is criminal, but in their eyes, it's not criminal. So therefore, it's not per se a criminal issue. That's why jurisdiction has been the problem all along. But you see, I'm consulting with an attorney. And unlike the other times, I have time to reevaluate. I have time for an appeal. And I also have time to get a great attorney that I have in mind put his hands involved in this and kind of make things stick. Just like I'm going to make things stick in your jurisdiction when I get into your real world, motherfucker, into your real world, and I get you exposed and I cause a little havoc, if you will, in your world. I am productive, but you fuck with a lion, you pour out a stick at the lion, eventually that lion is going to eat you. And you keep poking that stick at me, I'm going to maul you. You piece of shit. You pile of shit. And Miller, if you're listening out there, put your head in here. Come to my door. Knock on this door right here. I dare you. Knock on this door right here, motherfucker. Miller, you come to my house. I will maim you. I will maim you. I will maul you till you can't get up off the floor. Till you can't get off the freaking floor. I am in control. I have been in control. Keep it going. Brennan, you bring it. Give it your best shot. Because, Brennan, I swear, as the sun rises, I'm going to make you pay. I'm going to make you pay for everything you've done to me. Bank on that.